Hope you're doing fine, because personally I'm doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My good name is Agnes. I'm a content creator, I'm a mother, and also I'm a wife, and also I'm a business lady. As you can see, I do sell curtains and home decors. So on today's video, I'm going to deliver some curtains to a client, and whatever I'm going to do here, I'm going to arrange the curtains, and I'll show you the whole process. But in case I'll manage to record while delivering or while fixing the curtains with the client, I will let you know and I'll show you please. So stay tuned and stay connected. Remember to like, to comment, and to subscribe to my channel. We are still going to 1,000 subscribers, and I know before the end of this year we are going to get me there. So see you there. So now it's time for us to pack the curtains to deliver to our client. Yeah, I recorded this video and like 2 weeks ago, and my laptop spoiled, so I did not manage to edit it. And right now that I'm doing the voiceover, today is on 21st of December, and since it's on a Christmas season, I decided to record it, the first one. Of course I have some more videos, but this one had to start. I know nime lost, yeah, but now I'm back. Let's continue doing this, and thank you so much for your support. Like 2 weeks ago, my subscribers were at around 940. Yes, as we speak, we are now at 970. So 30 more to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate my fans. Thank you so much for supporting my hustle. The order that I'm doing right now, I was given by one of my royal fan, and I really appreciate so much. I went to her house and did the measurements of the curtains, and yeah, now it's time to deliver the curtains. By the way, if you need curtains, I can come to your house and do the measurements, visit, or that is what we call site visit, which is free. I won't charge you for measuring the house, the windows and the doors. Yeah, that will be free. Then later we negotiate about the prices. Yeah, on IG Agi Curtains. So this is the routes that I'm going to use on those windows and doors. Yeah, let's do this. So here we are with my fundi and my support system. I know if you are my royal fan, you know him. he's my husband, and I really appreciate that he do support my hustle too. Yeah, so here we were fixing the rods and the curtains, and he really helped me to fix the rods as I was fixing the curtains. So we had already started, and we did the first door and the first window. As we speak, we are now at the second window. As you can see, the way they are beautiful, the color really matched the tiles and the color of the wall. Yeah, hope you watch the full video and see the full transformation of this house. So guys, this is the final window. Actually, it's the door to the balcony. Yes, I did not record the bedroom and the kitchen due to the privacy issues, and yeah, I'll show you up to this end. And thank you so much for watching up to this far. I really appreciate you so much. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking, thank you for leaving me those good comments. I do see them and I really appreciate you so much. So now I'm going to show you the final look, and you rate my work. Please rate me out of 10, and I would really appreciate. So see you on my next video. Remember to subscribe to support my content. Bye bye for now. I love you all.